Assalamu alaikum scholars, you are listening to Ziaur Rahman. Scholars, today we have lecture number 51 and its part second. Today's lecture is about what statistical analysis need to run in SPSS and what analysis to run in AMOS software. Scholars, the previous lecture was about an introduction for SPSS and AMOS software for the beginners. Whole of our lecture number 51 is designed as a complete guide for the use of AMOS and SPSS software. Similarly, our lecture number 50, which we designed and delivered for a complete guide on the use of PLS software and complex nature of the mediation, moderation and moderated mediation analysis in PLS software. So on the same practice, the lecture 51 is designed for the use of SPSS and AMOS software. So you need to please listen the lecture number 51 completely. Today's lecture is about, if you have not subscribed to our channel, it is requested to please subscribe it. I have prepared a table for you. So there are actually 9 types of tests which you need to perform. Some tests are in SPSS and others are in AMOS software. First one is the demographic analysis. The demographic analysis you need to run in SPSS and then to check the data normality. Data normality means the outliers, sequence, kurtosis, mean, median, mode and standard deviation. So this test you also need to run in SPSS. Then you need to perform the exploratory factor analysis if you are developing the new instrument or you have adapted the already existing scale by modifying somewhat modification in the existing scales. So you need to done the exploratory factor analysis in both of these cases in SPSS software. Then you need to check the correlational analysis. The correlation test you also need to run in SPSS software. And then the values of Cronbach alpha of your instrument will also be checked through the SPSS software. And for the confirmatory factor analysis means the model fitness. These tests you need to run in AMOS software, and this is a specialized software AMOS to conduct the confirmatory factor analysis of your research model or the variables which you have used in your research model. The structural equation model, you are able to conduct the structural equation model both in SPSS as well as in AMOS software. In SPSS you need to install the process micro haze tool by downloading through Google, and when after installing the process micro haze tool you will be able to conduct this structural equation model by using the SPSS software. There are almost more than 70 models available in process micro haze, and if your model exists among one of the haze models, so you will be able to conduct the SEM by using SPSS, but you also able to conduct the structural equation model in AMOS software, where you need to draw your research model in AMOS, and the direction of the arrows you need to draw as you have conducted as you have developed your hypothesis. So in accordance with your hypothesis you need to draw your model on the face of the AMOS software, and AMOS software will calculate the structural equation modeling and path analysis, both direct and indirect path analysis for your research model. And then you are able to conduct the simple regression analysis in SPSS software. You are able to conduct the correlational studies in SPSS software, but for the complex nature of regression analysis, especially for the variables which have second order variables or latent variables or cause and effect studies, most of these studies it is preferred to use the AMOS software for structural equation modeling. If you are doing the structural equation modeling in SPSS by using the process micro haze, then again you need to use the AMOS software for confirmatory factor analysis, because the process micro haze is unable to show you the model fitness values, the model fitness values which is the confirmatory factor analysis. So in both of these cases, whatever SEM you are using, by using the SPSS or by using the using the AMOS, you need to conduct the confirmatory factor analysis in AMOS software. And after doing the structure equation model, you need to use the Gaskian statistical tool for calculating and extracting the values for the composite reliability, AVE, square root of E, AVE, and etc. So all these values you need to extract from the Gaskian statistical tool. This is the today's lecture, and the next lecture will be about a sequence of statistical tests for quantitative studies to be conducted in SPSS and AMOS. This will be the A to Z of the test which you are need to perform in a sequential manner, which test to perform first and then which test to perform and then which test to perform. We will teach you in the next lecture. Scholars, if you have not subscribed to our channel, it is requested to please subscribe it. Allah Hafiz, Shukriya.